topic is about inflation. So, what do you think about inflation?
Yeah. So, and it refers to increase in the prices in our goods and services. I think, for example, clothing and foods, also in transports, in every criteria. If the price is increasing, so we can say that it is inflation. Inflation.
So, okay. So, what do you think about inflation? Like how it is affecting the lifestyle of the normal people?
Okay. So yeah, normal people mostly most of the time they affected by this because if the price is fluctuating by the time, so some people they are daily worker and how they will afford the things, and that is why I think the inflation this affect them much than others. If a good person, a rich person, so they can easily manage it, but sometimes it is very difficult to manage for others and who is the daily worker most of the time, I think, because the middle I can say middle class we are also can survive, and but this is very difficult for them because sometimes they don't have the things if they require something and they can't afford due to this inflation, so it is affecting their lifestyle.
So, especially poor people are getting affected by this inflation.
Yeah, I think about that
Okay.
because somehow I think everyone can manage, and but somewhere they have to adjust there and they have to I think hide their desire due to this.
Okay. That's true. That's true. By talking about the subject, so what is the current price of tomato over there in your place?
Okay. Okay, so tomato, I think it is more than 80 rupees.
90,
Yeah, more than 80 to between 80 to 90.
80 to 90. Okay. A kg. Oh, I thought in your place it is little. It will be cheaper.
No, no,
Oh my God. But
it's not.
think like even village it is so costly. But think about cities, it will be very costly, right? Compared to village. Today I went to market and I found that a kg of tomato is like 110 rupees, 110 in my place. I was shocked to see that. And coriander leaves, one a bunch is like 25 rupees.
Yeah, definitely. Nowadays, the prices are so high in the market, the vegetables, all its stuff are. And also, this is I don't know why in winter season, most of the time, vegetables are cheap, but in this time, it's not happening.
But people are saying contradictory statement that during winter season vegetable prices will become high.
Oh, maybe I'm not much sure about that.
Summer season will be late because transportation is little difficult during winter season.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so it may be.
And nowadays the petrol prices also hiking, right?
Yeah, yeah, right,
Friday,
petrol. It is, I think, last of couple days it was more, but now it is better than earlier.
exactly.
Yeah,
Now it is better. They reduce some price.
some prices, yeah, has reduced.
So, how can we beat inflation? What are the steps we can take to control the inflation, according to you? You have any opinion on?
Okay. Okay, so first thing, give the priority to the farmer because they are the first one who is making everything, I think. For this, if we are talking, especially in the somewhere, like we are talking of vegetable, so this is for farmer. The other field is also industries, working textile industries. So I think government they should just give some guidelines for them, and they should support them somewhere if they are needed because you know sometimes it happens farmer they need something and they are not able to manage, and what happened in the next time if they are not able to manage all things, they are not able to I think, cultivate. So that is why the crop prices is also increasing, like grains and vegetables. But in other field, if it is increasing, so it may be under some government guidelines. They can also, and also the some public support, and because like if we are going somewhere, so transport, it is also playing a role. So always don't use our for only one person you are going with your four-wheeler. You can use other transport. So like this we can change the way of living sometime. It can be helpful, I think so.
Exactly, exactly. It's a wonderful point. Like for even we can see a lot of individual person taking the car, so that
Mhm.
leads to higher consumption of fuel, as well as it increases the traffic also.
Traffic as well, pollution as well. So many things can reduce if we follow it.
So make sure that whenever we take the car, we should take like 4 people in it.
Yeah, right, right.
Otherwise,
We
we are
always do it.
okay. That's a good
And
thing. Okay. So talking about the farmers, like recently I have read the news that Modi, after like 1.5 years of protest, they are going to reconsider the laws. You heard about it?
yeah, I heard about that. And I don't know what will happen because that's up to the government, and they
Mm.
are gonna take decision. So we will be happy and whatever will be the decision, because it's a long time,
Mhm.
almost 1 year, and they are continuously protesting. So it is really a long time. Now I think this is the time. Just take a decision and leave this one.
Okay. So what is your opinion? Like, are you supporting the farmers or are you supporting the government?
Actually, I'm thinking that government is I can say stretching this thing is stretching too much. 1 year doesn't need for this. Only they can solve this short time. So that time I thought government is not serious about that. So that is why sometime I thought that what farmer can do, they also are doing good. But if government is not taking decisions, so maybe there is some issues behind that we can't see, that we are a public citizen. So yeah, I don't have any decision for anyone,
Okay.
and I just heard the news. So what I can decide, I'm thinking that what I'm just waiting for the result.
Okay. So you are like neutral until
Yeah, you
and
can say I don't have idea about it.
mm, so so what do you think the causes of inflation? What are the causes of inflation?
Okay, okay. So causes of inflation, and the first thing, the society. In our society, we are also seeing many cases of former of suicide. So if they are attempting the suicide, so maybe inflation, it is also one reason. And the normal person, as I said, like poor, so they are also facing this to some time, like if any poor person and in their home there is any marriage and planning, and due to inflation they are not able to give, there is also some dowry system, and some other system that rituals have to do in marriage time. So if they are not able, so they are also losing their life. Means they can't face others, and they just like others, that like a farmer, they just lost their life. So I think it is affecting the people's inflation, and rather than it, normal people, they are also affecting day by day, because if it is increasing, so how much people can arrange and manage? One day they will also have to manage and adjust the life. So adjustment is going, I think, just because of this. um
Good, good point. And Chika, like slightly we can deviate from the topic because since you are a teacher, I want to ask you this question. So, what is your opinion on the NEET examination?
Okay. Recently it happened, maybe.
Because
And
in my state, many people, many students are committing suicide because they were not able to clear the NEET examination. In my place,
yeah,
especially in Tamil Nadu.
okay. And I think I don't remember the name, but in Jammu Kashmir, the first one rank has got by the one of the Jammu Kashmir students. So he got the first rank, maybe. So
Okay.
and this is just because of this era, people and students they don't have patience. That is why it is happening. There is no any other reason. If you are not able to gain anything, so don't do like this. It is not a right way. There is another way. Maybe God has another plan for you. You can do something better. So just try something else and don't waste your life. If you are doing, if you are doing this, okay, one day people can forget you. No one gonna remember you because you are not a leader. So it is not a way to do this. I'm not just, I'm always against to this. If students they are attempting any suicide due to this reason, they're not getting result good and not getting something, like percentage. So it is worse, I must say. Means somewhere they have depression. I can understand, they already have learned much. But this is a time where they have to take this decision by the sense. They have to think much and much. Then take some decision. Maybe you will do something and you will transform your life. Just have patience, I think.
Okay. So, is it easy to clear NEET examination? Is what do you think? Like according to you, is it easy or it is tough to clear the exam?
No, it's not easy. I can say easy. Nothing is easy, and
Nothing.
nothing is tough.
Nothing is tough.
Yes. So for everything you have to do work. You have to somewhere you have to do hard work. So like this, it's not much easy as we are thinking, but definitely if you are trying something, we are trying, then definitely you will succeed. I I'm just sure about that because
Yes.
have faith.
Uh-huh. Especially the government school students were not able to clear it compared to the private, because private school students, the parents are putting them in some kind of coaching institute, so they were able to do some I mean do some practice in the coaching institute, and they are clearing it off very easily. But when it comes to government school, they are struggling to clear those exams.
That's right.